Well, EnterMyInvoice is an integration play that goes into Cortex and Open Invoice, and what it does is it allows users that have to put information into those systems to get rid of the manual entry, which also allows them to get paid faster and also reduce their day sales outstanding. RigER's a great company out in the marketplace that we came across a few years ago when they started building out their application. And it was just a natural progression, I think, for both companies to take a look at how they could work together and make it easier for energy services companies to leverage our platform combined with their platform to make things easier for them. It's been fantastic. It's the guys at RigER are super friendly, very accommodating, and really eager to please not only working with us, but also their clients. So we're very excited about having that partnership with RigER.